It's already from Fanboys Night Vlogs, Reviews and more, and I'm sorry if this video is late and I haven't made a video in a really long time. I apologize for all that, and I'm sorry if the video quality in this is slightly lower than usual. I'm having a little bit of camera issues, but I feel that this is a great video and I really wanted to make it. So here we go. So this is an unboxing video of the new Redmi Note 6 Pro. It's it's one of the latest phones by Xiaomi. Its MRP, its maximum retail price in India, is 18,000 rupees, but it's easily available on me.com for 14,000 rupees. Now, this is not the latest phone in throughout the world, but in India it released pretty recently. I think it's a relevant phone to review. So let's open it up. That was a quick open. So we have the centerpiece right in the front, the phone, of course. Let me just pop that out. So this is the black version. The back is sort of a fingerprint magnet, but not as much as a lot of glass backs because it's still a metal back, retaining the same design sort of as the Redmi Note 4. And the Note 5 is kind of a departure from their usual look, but I think this is a step back into their old, good look. So this is the phone, this is the model. It looks pretty elegant. Simple touch button, pretty elegant phone. Next up, we open another layer of the box. And what do we have here? An excellent clear case. Let's see how that looks on the phone. Obviously, it's a perfect fit. I mean, so I have also ordered a separate case for this, but this also seems to be doing the job. I'm not sure if this would provide, much of front protection, but it's a pretty solid back cover, except this also seems to be an extreme fingerprint magnet. I don't think this is very usable. And yeah, but everything else seems pretty fine, and the phone is a little big to hold, but you gotta get used to stuff like that. This of course still runs micro USB because Xiaomi is not ready to upgrade to the USB Type-C, sadly, So yeah, you get a USB Type-C connector and you get a power brick. Yes, you get a power brick. It's a Xiaomi power brick, and it has let's see the rating. It's a 0.35 amp, 240 volts. Your standard 5 volts output charger. Not too bad, not too great. I've seen better, faster chargers, but apparently this has quick charge. Let me see if there's anything else here in the box. But I don't think there is, because that's all. I think we've covered everything. Because Xiaomi doesn't provide you with earphones and such, because they have a great selection of earphones on the website, which they want you to go and buy, which is why they won't give you the earphones. So let me just power this on, just to give you a look of how the phone looks. The screen is pristine, and I really don't want to spoil it, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. So we get the signature Mi boot up. While this is booting up, let me open this case. It's the Pro hard case. It's the Redmi Note 6 Pro hard case. I got this for $6.99 on the me.com where I bought the phone. Let me just give this a quick open. I have to remove this sticker. I think the phone is booted up, but since I've started unboxing this, I better finish. Yes, okay, I got it open. And this is the hard case. So let's just slip this in. This looks really nice, and the back is a smooth finish, but I think if you're looking for safety, this might be really unsafe, but it does provide some front protection in the sense that if it falls, there's a little bit of coverage, but I don't think it's much. I would actually prefer this case because it's soft, it covers all the edges, doesn't leave anything beneath. It's not like you need a slider or anything here. I would recommend you just use the case that they give with the phone. Now this is how the phone looks, but of course it's hiding the notch up here on the top. So let me try to get it to full screen mode. There it is. So we have this beautiful, black on the top. I mean, I hate the notch. I hate notches, but you gotta adjust, am I right? Because this phone seems to pack in a lot of other features, such as, quite embarrassing. It has a 20 megapixel portrait selfie and a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera in the back. It has a 6.26 inch full screen display with a notch on the top, and it runs a Snapdragon 636. This is pretty good for the price that you're getting it in. Now I'm not gonna set it up or anything in front of you guys because that's it's not the full product review. This is just an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be more inactive, you guys. I'm not going to be active so much anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know what you thought of the phone, of the unboxing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!